What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis from Sicily, Italy. Currently enjoying my summer vacation here, guys. I hope that you are having a great time, and of course I hope that you can also enjoy a little bit of this nice footage here from Sicily. As you can see, our hotel is directly on the beach. We are kind of on a half island, so we have on both sides a different type of beach, and yeah, it's very beautiful here, guys. And if you have the time to come and visit Sicily, and make sure to come also by Milazzo here this place. It's very close yeah, to other little islands here in Sicily and Italy, like volcanoes, Stromboli and so on, all active volcanoes. So yeah, very crazy to be here, guys, on like active volcanoes around you. And of course, same like a volcano is also right now Bitcoin behalving, guys, because look at what happened here. We had this fall, we just got rejected at the median line of the Kelton channels in the 4-hour time frame, and we crashed all the way down to this support at around 115k. So this came, in my opinion, as a surprise. I didn't expect that. Also, you know that I was sitting in a long position. I still have it open because I didn't set any stop loss, nothing, whenever I'm trading here on the go and whenever I'm on vacation. Of course, I'm also doing some scalp trading, and right now you can see that of course I'm underwater, and right now also we are coming down to test this important support trend line. Previous resistance that you can see here is now acting of course as a strong support. The good thing is that it's still holding. So here in the 4-hour time frame, let's check my indicators, are now in a very oversold condition, so I'm waiting here for the next buy signal basically. But anyway, I am sitting already in a long position, so the only thing that I would do here is maybe increase my long position and not like close it or anything like that, because as you can see, we are coming to this important support level right here. So in my opinion, we will gonna have here a nice bounce in the not so distant future. And of course also with Bitcoin, we are seeing also, for example, Ethereum falling down. So let me quickly check, where is Ethereum? Right here, also still above this support, this very important new support that we have at around $4,200. So we're still holding above, which is of course great. And as long as Ethereum is basically having at least daily and weekly closes above $4,200, I remain bullish and still expect continuation to the upside. And of course that would mean that right now we are getting a good buy opportunity. So overall, I think we're still bullish, guys, but what I am a bit concerned right now is that if we don't see a very fast recovery here on the daily time frame, also of course we're coming to this support, previous resistance, now new support. In my indicators, we are getting currently sell signals. That's not a good sign. And also on the weekly time frame, even worse here, you can see that we are coming to the 9 weekly moving average right now. So also very important weekly moving average here. And the thing is that right now we are getting sell signals on the weekly time frame, and that means that very often the 20 weekly moving average is getting tested. And that one, because in the last couple of weeks we moved so fast here to the upside, the 20 weekly moving average is still down here at the purple line, currently at around, I think it's at around $107,000 down here. And this is of course a catastrophe if Bitcoin would crash down towards 107k, because of course a lot of people would be shaking out, in my opinion, if that happens. And yeah, it's bearish, guys, at least for the next coming days and weeks if that happens. And I think that over the next coming weeks, maybe during September, we could see again Bitcoin trading somewhere at around 100k. But overall, as I told you guys, I'm still bullish, and I think the uptrend continues, and that's why I'm keep buying altcoins and keep buying Bitcoin, because I think that this will be like the last opportunity, the last chance to get on board before things are getting crazy here in this altcoin season, and of course also Bitcoin going to new all-time highs and so on. So that could be a good buy opportunity if you still want to buy more altcoins and Bitcoin in the next coming weeks and months. Of course, make sure to be subscribed, you guys, because I update you every day whatever is going on. And also check out all links in the video description. Of course, everything is no financial advice, just my own opinions, my own price predictions and price analysis. And also when it comes to new cryptos that I'm buying up, like Bitcoin Hyper, Token 6900 and so on, we are seeing a big trend with new coins that are upcoming. Check them out, guys, links in the video description. And of course also sign up to Bybit, Binance, Mexi Global and so on. We have many exchanges here where I'm trading, so I'm not trading just on one exchange, I'm always trading on different exchanges to get everywhere some deposit bonuses and so on. And of course also to split my risks, and in order to make also multiple trades, I like to use different exchanges. And for Bitcoin Hyper, let's refresh here quickly, guys. You can see that the stake rewards, currently 105%, are going lower and lower because this one is raising more and more funds. If I'm not wrong, this one will be launching once it's reaching 15 millions hard cap. Currently we are at 10 millions, and more people are buying into this new layer 2 on top of Bitcoin. It is extremely hyped, guys, so if you want to get on board, the link to Bitcoin Hyper is in the video description right at the top, and there are of course also others that are upcoming, also completely new ones. For example, this deepsnitch.ai, the link is in the video description. You can get it also here. This one is just entering right now in the next stage, so that's why make sure to be hurrying up if you want to get on board into DeepSnitch, guys. This is a completely new AI project that is upcoming. Of course, also here high risk, but if you are looking out for a new coin with AI that has not launched yet, that will come out in the next coming weeks and months, then DeepSnitch AI is definitely one that you can have a look at, and the link is of course in the video description as well. Here we have different AI tools that is combined basically with crypto, and also they're launching their own token that is needed to interact with DeepSnitch, of course. So check it out if you want, guys. Links in the video description. That's it for now. Let's hope that Bitcoin will of course go to new all-time highs very soon, but unfortunately, based on some indicators on the weekly, if we don't see a very fast recovery right now, it's very likely that all sort of attempts of pushing higher will be denied basically, and we're going to remain in a downtrend until we bottom out again on the weekly and daily time frame, maybe somewhere in September. So stay tuned, guys, for future updates. I salute you here from Sicily, and in the next coming days, of course, I will be streaming from here, so that's why make sure also to watch some of my shorts. I'm posting there some shorts also of the newest things that are basically coming out and so on. That's why make sure to be subscribed. I keep you updated also whenever I'm in vacation. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.